How to play Undawn on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to start playing the Undawn game on your Android, then the process is quite easy. First of all, make sure that your device is connected with a stable internet. And now, go ahead and open your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Undawn and look for the game from Level Infinite. Now tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your device. Your download will take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure you have the fast internet connection connected on your device, whether you are using a smartphone or tablet. The game is 506 MB and it will take a while for downloading. Just make sure that you are downloading the correct application. Undawn is a free-to-play open-world survival game set in the post-apocalyptic world overrun by infected creatures. You play as a survivor who must explore a large open world, gather food, water, and materials to stay alive, craft weapons, tools, and gears, build and upgrade your own base for protection, and complete missions and story objectives. You'll get to fight zombies and sometimes hostile players, team up with other players for survival and events as well. So, after the download is completed, you can tap on the open or the play button and follow through the instruction to start playing the game right on your Android devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.